Welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English Objective Past question number 27. And the simple instruction here says that we should choose the option that best interprets the given sentence. And the given sentence here says, when the man accused of stealing the money, nobody raised any eyebrow. Nobody raised any eyebrow. So option A say sad, B pleased, C interested, D surprised. So when the man accused of stealing the money, nobody raised an eyebrow. When something happen and you raise eyebrow, it means that you frank at the event, you frank at what happened or what the person did. You frank then, and when you are frank, it means that you are unhappy about the incident, and the synonym for unhappy is sad. So when the man accused of stealing the money, nobody was sad. This means that nobody was sad. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.